Alright, Rob Frazier here. Wanted to just drop a quick little training video about the money flow that I use with this particular system. Following money flows is basically how I was able to pay down a six-figure debt, still live, still pay my current bills, and also still grow my business at the same time. So it just basically comes down to having a very specific plan for every single dollar that comes in. And this is something that I wish people told me long before I was making money online. So getting into it, three main programs, three income streams. Got instant cash paying business number one, residual income program number two, passive income program number three. So anytime I make a sale in the first program, it's a 50-50 split. 50% goes right back immediately into more traffic to get more people into the YBR Fast Cash system, and 50% of this goes into my trading account. All of the money that I make in the second program, Power Lead System, P, begins with P, also goes into my pocket. So all of the money that goes in that I make in Power Lead System, 100% of that goes into my pocket. That money, I also chop it up as well, and I use for different things: savings, tithing, investing, taxes, the whole deal. And then lastly, the third piece, any money that I make here goes into my trading account. Now, when do I stop putting money into my trading account? Basically, is when my trading account and my trading skills allow me to earn at least $1,000 a week. So if I can withdraw $1,000 a week out of my trading account for profit, then I no longer have to put money into my trading accounts, and then all of that extra money just goes into my pocket. Same thing with the first program, the instant cash paying program. I'll have this 50-50 split until I'm done putting money back into my trading account, to which then I'll either do 100% of this money always going back into traffic immediately, or keeping a certain split. But that right there is basically what I do with every single dollar that comes in. And that just keeps the machine on, keeps the whole system cranking. Three streams of income, all have its place and its purpose, and it is just as simple as that. So that being said, wrapping up this video, this is going to go into my training section. But if you're watching this on YouTube and want more information about my particular system for freedom, there's going to be a link in the description of this video. My name is Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next.